Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with ANote Music Royalties. Review my usage experience. ANote Music Royalties Review My Usage Experience offers a service to help musicians and music publishers analyze their royalty statements. It aims to identify potential discrepancies or missing payments from various music licensing organizations. The key feature seems to be a detailed breakdown and review of royalty statements, helping users understand their earnings. Their website provides details on their pricing and services. They highlight accuracy and ease of use as key selling points, promising a transparent process with no hidden fees. They seem to focus on providing a more accessible way to understand complex royalty statements, differentiating themselves by offering a user-friendly interface compared to manually analyzing complex spreadsheets. Availability is likely dependent on the types of royalty statements they support. You'd need to check their website for specific details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using ANote Music Royalties. Review my usage experience. Getting started was a breeze. I uploaded my royalty statement, a rather hefty PDF from a major music distributor, and within minutes, ANote had processed it. The interface is intuitive and color-coded, making it easy to spot potential issues. For example, it clearly highlighted a discrepancy in reported streams compared to my own analytics, something I would have easily missed manually. The speed of processing was remarkable. It was faster than I anticipated. The quality of the results presented was excellent, providing a detailed breakdown of each royalty payment and flagging anything unusual. I had a quick question about a specific entry, and their support team responded promptly within a day via email, explaining the discrepancy clearly and reassuringly. I was really impressed by how intuitive the dashboard was. The standout feature for me was definitely the clear visualization of potential discrepancies, making it much easier to identify potential issues with my royalty payments. One minor drawback was the lack of a mobile app, which would make it more convenient to check my royalties on the go. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with ANote Music Royalties. Review my usage experience. It's a valuable tool for any musician or publisher looking for a simpler way to analyze their royalty statements and ensure they're getting paid what they're owed. That's my overview of ANote Music Royalties. Review my usage experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.